This company reached out to me through mail, inviting me to try their new product they launched at the end of 2024. They reached out to me because I was a previous customer that purchased their vacuum only system in November of 2023. I believe I bought it like on a Black Friday. Bought one, actually bought two. Bought one for my daughter and bought one for myself, and we love them. So this company wanted me, a previous customer, to try their new system that does both mopping and vacuuming. And all I had to do is purchase this with my own money, try it out, and let them know how I like it. And I love it. All I had to do is purchase it, try it out, give an honest review, and then they would refund my purchase amount and give this to me as a free gift since I gave an honest review. And this is truly my honest review. I love it. Didn't know if I would like the mopping part of it, but I do. I think that it's very handy. It will cut down on my housework tremendously since I have 4 fur babies. So they're in and out of this house all the time, and it's usually always a mess. So now I can just come home and I can let this run while I'm doing other things I need to do. So this is what it looks like when you open it. I've already attached 2 of the feet to the mop vac, and the remote I added 2 AAA batteries. I added the mop head and the mopping pad to the system, and that's the only thing I've took out of the box. And the directions are very easy to understand. It tells you how to use the remote. It's, you know, there you've got all kinds of, I mean, it's easy peasy, no problem. So anyways, we'll get it and we'll try the auto. I mean, you can do the spin in one place, the edges, the auto, mop, sweep only, mop, and then you got all your directions and home, base, and everything up here. But we'll put it on auto and let it run for a minute so you guys can see what it does. I absolutely love it. I think it's a great product.
It's very powerful, and it cleans the edges very well. It turns into the obstacles and the corners very well as well. The mop cleaning system is very good because you can, like my crawling baby, can move around without problems. After my friend here does the work, and it doesn't like stop, there is no obstacles. It's really good. We love it.
Okay, there's some coffee on the floor. I'm just going to see if it'll clean it up. Oh shit, I think that's what I was supposed to do. Okay. That's kind of loud. Oh. Alright, this little guy, he's hard at work. Boom. He's getting to know the lay of the land.